OK, let's return to Elizabeth now and that all-important weather forecast. Lizzie, over to you.
Thank you, Riz. Yes, I do feel as if Mark has stolen all of my best lines, particularly about tonight. But let's take a look at the forecast, or rather at what happened earlier on today. So 37.5 degrees Celsius recorded in Kew Gardens. It's not a London record breaker or indeed a national record breaker either. But we are expecting to not just beat the records which will fall tomorrow, but positively smash them. It's alarming because normally we talk about tenths of a degree, but we may well beat it by up to 2.5 degrees Celsius and see 41 degrees Celsius tomorrow. Worrying. Anyway, let's turn to the weather warning. Now, as you'll know, there's a very rare Met Office red weather warning in place that's valid until midnight tomorrow. And this is basically warning of extreme heat, of course. Widespread problems caused by this to infrastructure, to roads. We've been hearing about them, and you should try to keep as cool as possible by following all of the advice. Now, overnight tonight, it is going to be really very warm indeed. Now, the good news is that it's quite dry air. It's not particularly humid, but temperatures will stay in the high 20s for most of the night. 28 degrees Celsius at midnight in central London. These will be the valleys as we head into tomorrow morning. So for most of us, it will be a tropical night. That is, temperatures not dropping below 20 degrees. And of course, as compared to earlier on this morning when we started off between 12 and 14 Celsius, we've got a massive head start tomorrow morning. Those temperatures are only going to rise. So through the afternoon, lots of blue sky and sunshine, bit of cloud creeping into the southwest there. That might just limit a few temperatures there. But otherwise 40, maybe 41 degrees Celsius. It's quite possible that we'll see that maybe in central London, more likely I think for parts of Essex and for Hertfordshire, maybe Bedfordshire as well. So some really worrying temperatures there. Is it going to last? No, it's not, but it will still be very warm on Tuesday night into Wednesday. Eventually, some fresher feeling air by the time we get to Wednesday, with the chance, and I'm saying chance rather than threat, of some heavy thundery showers. We certainly do need that rainfall. A massive drop in temperature too, but still warm by anyone's standards. 27 degrees Celsius, fresher for much of the rest of the week though, Riz.
OK, Elizabeth, thank you. Wow, 28 overnight. That's where we leave you. Thanks very much for watching. If you do need to get somewhere, you can get the latest travel advice on BBC News Online, where you can also check out how hot it is where you are and tips for coping in the heat. Oh, and on BBC London's Facebook and Instagram, how the animals at Chessington are being kept cool. Worth a look. From me and all the team here, have a very good evening and do get some sleep. Take care. Bye-bye.